Apply it thoroughly on your face with a flat brush like I'm using here.
I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet.
Now I'll stick the first layer of facial tissue on my face.
Plus up.
Egg white helps in making skin glowing and also it removes dark spots from skin.
Second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
Now I'll apply one more layer of facial tissue and stick it again with the solution of egg white. Don't forget your nose and upper lip area. Now wait for the mask to dry out completely. Remove the mask in opposite direction of your hair growth. This remedy is mostly effective for removal of blackheads and whiteheads, and if you have very thin hairs on your face then it will remove them too, but if your facial hair is thick then this remedy may not work. You can use next two methods which I'll be showing. At the end, do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you liked the video. You can see the blackheads, whiteheads and some of the small hairs came off with the tissue paper. Wash your face simply with water. Apply any facial oil or moisturizer. Always remember that you have to use raw milk only because raw milk contains properties which helps in making skin glowing. Also it removes any spots of aging like wrinkles, and when the milk is spoiled it loses all of these properties. I am using 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil as the smell of gelatin isn't pleasant. It is completely optional. Always keep in mind that you have to apply very thin layer of this gelatin paste. Don't apply coat over coat. I forgot to add turmeric in my solution, so don't skip it because turmeric is really very important, which helps in removing hair from skin permanently. When you touch your skin and if it feels like plastic, then this means the mask has been dried out completely. From forehead, pull the mask downwards, and if you start from the bottom, pull the mask upwards. And yes, this method is painful, but it is really very effective if you have too much hair on your skin or your hair growth is really very thick.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
You can see how the hairs have been removed. After cleaning your face, apply ice immediately on your skin. Then apply any moisturizer. I had very thick growth of hair in my sides. Now you can see most of them has been removed.
To make love, promise you I'm not wasting time. In the bathtub, we don't gotta rush, no. Never gonna rush, no. My life's in a slow-mo, always in a slow-mo. I still show up on time. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah.
While removing this mask, wet your hands lightly and scrub it. You can feel the hairs coming out with the mask and the pain is equal to threading. Follow this twice a week and hair growth on your face will reduce in 4 to 5 months.